Hello everyone. Hello Team Everest. So me and Aahnik, we are here and we are going to show you the welcome cards which we have nicely created, and my son Aahnik helped me to create that. So we can show you, this is other going to Chennai, the Team Everest, the students who are joining, okay? So they will be taking these cards and we welcome all the best to all the students, right? So my son helped me in crafting this. We used so many kits, you can see that. So we have all these kits and
colors.
These are going to send, and all these colors my son helped me to do that, right? All this creativity work,
And make that.
and we are going to send it very soon and hope you will be receiving it your
right.
end, right? So one of the key messages I would like to show you. So we have written more success to you, and in each card we'll be having a small note for every students, and you can see that, right? And knowledge is power, shine like a sun, study smart, change the world, become an entrepreneur, good luck, right? So those kind of stuff we have done. So hope you will like it, enjoy it, and on behalf of every volunteers, I would like to congratulate Team Everest for this initiative. And I have been involved in this activity since my KPMG days, and now I'm an agent entrepreneur, so I'm continuing these activities, and I really enjoyed this weekend by doing these activities and all, right? Thank you everyone.